Looking for cheap, delicious vegan eats in New York City? Yes, me too, so let's go find some. I'm Lauren Z. Ray and I'm a vegan traveler. I travel to a new city every month and, well, clearly this month is New York City. So what we decided to order was the sticky rice shumai, I think it's called. Probably not pronouncing that right. The steamed pork bun and the barbecued pork. Everything looks amazing. I can't wait to try it all. It's all vegan, 100% vegan, everything here. I've never had this before. The whole thing, I think you're supposed to take bites. Okay, the sticky rice is a winner. It had a little bit of like barbecued pork in it, I think. Sticky rice, nice and chewy. Can you see that? It really does taste like you're eating meat. And last but certainly not least, the barbecue pork. It's like meat consistency even. I'm loving the taste. I haven't tried these tastes in so long because it's really hard to find vegan dim sum. Okay, so we got the Bowery, which is a breakfast sandwich, which has a tofu, egg, tempeh bacon, provolone, and vegan cheese.
I'm gonna be the one to try this first, and I'm really excited about it because it looks so good. That is so good. Oh my God.
Okay, Lucas's reaction was too good. I definitely have to try this on camera too because, gosh, it looks great. The creamy cheesiness, it's everything. The food tour continues. We are getting full, but we're gonna attempt to try everything on the list today. Obviously, next we had to try some pizza because if you don't want pizza, did you really go to New York? That is the question. Okay, this is really, really good. The guy in there was like, I'm not even vegan, but I love this pizza. And we were like, okay, we'll try it. The crust is really good. It's like crunchy and crispy. I'm not eating this the New York style where we fold it into a taco sort of thing. I'm eating it like I do, which is not as fun. Pesto, artichokes, red onion, red pesto, just really good. And the cheese is really good for being vegan cheese. I love it. It's not too like overpowering. You know the vegan taste. Okay, so we made it back to the apartment, and if you guys want to see our New York apartment tour, I'll put it right here. I've already filmed it, I'm sure by the time this comes out. But let's try this bagel. We decided on the everything bagel with the herb cream cheese. We are really tired from walking. We've walked everywhere. We're pretty full too, but I have to try this one last New York delicacy, bagel. Do you eat it like a sandwich or do you take it off like this?
I don't know.
Comment below. This is insanely good, Lucas.
Can't wait.
Okay, that bagel was insane, as was everything else we tried today. I'm telling you, New York City is where it's at for food. Like every single thing we tried today was 10 out of 10. Highly recommend, 5-star stuff. And we've traveled a lot of places and some of the vegan options are just okay, but here in New York, insane. Don't forget to give this video a like. If you love bagels, love New York, love vegan food, that's everybody, hopefully. And don't forget to subscribe because we are going to be doing more New York videos. And we're traveling to other places around the US where we're gonna be doing vegan travel videos like this. I'm gonna finish this bagel because it's calling my name even though I'm full, I have to. It's just that good, it's one of those things. So I'll see you guys next video.